Hey guys, and today we are reacting to this video where this man goes cliff diving. Now some YouTubers have already done this, and yeah, so let's go ahead and do it. Is this illegal or something? And does he even have any shoes on? If you can hear what he's doing. Is he going to jump off? That would be epic. He's just breathing like mad. Like, I haven't watched this already, okay? Look, he's got tape just strapped to his foot. Right. Why? Oh! Oh! No way! Did you see that? Oh my god, that is like, so, oh my god. Is he gonna drown? Oh my god. Let's watch that from, yeah, here. Whoa. Oh, I can't believe that. Oh my god. Heck, what is he doing? Jesus Christ. How does he do that? What? How does he do that? He must be really skinny. Does it like show his body at the start or something? Go right to the start. No, it's just his face. Let's skip to that. So he's breathing like mad, and then he starts to jump. But what he doesn't know is that, and he lands in the water. Oh my god. Oh my. Right guys, hope you enjoyed that, and that is for all today. So see you in the next one. Bye.